Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to log into Xiaohongshu on a PC. First, open any web browser on your computer and go to the Xiaohongshu website by typing xiaohongshu.com in the address bar. Once the website loads, you will see the login page. Here, you will see different login options. You can log in using your phone number, email, or third-party accounts like WeChat. If you choose to log in with your phone number, make sure to select the correct country code, then enter your number and click on the button to receive a verification code. Enter the code when you receive it and click Confirm. If you prefer to log in with WeChat, click on the WeChat icon and a QR code will appear. Open WeChat on your phone, scan the QR code and confirm the login on your phone. Your Xiaohongshu account will now open on your PC. Once you are logged in, you can browse posts, check notifications, and manage your profile just like on the mobile app. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.